Hello. What what a week it has been in the market, but it is okay. It was both an amazing and a terrible week for me. And this video, and I guess at the end of every week, I'm gonna make a video on what I learned in the week. Also on the weekends, I'm probably gonna put something in regards to my strategy. Again, give this channel time. Also, if you haven't signed up to my new Telegram group, do so. And yeah, that's it, I guess. So this week, blew my account, lost almost 80% of it. I think more than that. And I'll tell you why. On Monday, I closed out my trades and they were all winners. I made $541 on Monday. I was super excited because I started off with a $100 account like 3 weeks ago. Got it up to $1,300 after that Monday. And the problem was I closed out my trade probably in the morning, Monday morning. But according to the setups I had on TradingView, that was against my plan for those trades. I got too emotional. I was trading too much. I was trading 0.30 lots. I had 4 positions open at 0.30. If you want to say $30 a lot or whatever, I'm just going to say 0.30. Over traded, over leveraged. I got lucky. And one thing, guys, if you're too emotional and too anxious about your trade, you're most likely trading too much. This is probably the 4th account that I've blown. It's okay, because obviously I had the skills to make the money. I just need the skills to better manage my trades. And those trades I closed on Monday, if I left them open on Monday without doing a thing for the rest of the week, I would have made over $2,000 easy. But again, when you're trading too much money and you're over leveraging, it's not really skill. You're really gambling at that point. And that's why I closed my trades out early, because I was too emotional, etc., etc. Throughout the week as well, closing trades early, not going according to my plan, not having my stop losses in place, thinking that price was going to go my way or reverse. I was hoping that they would work out. And again, my technical skills are amazing. My mental game needs work. So that's one thing I need to work on. Position sizing is another. Because if you can't trade a $100 account properly, what's going to happen is you're going to have like a luck streak, and you're going to be making thousands of dollars a day or whatever, and you're going to lose it. You're going to lose that money. So if you turn $100 into $10,000, I've turned $100 into like $7,000 2 years ago. I turned $100 into like $8,000 last May. Blew it all in a week. Stupidity, trading 5 lots, having 4 or 5 positions open. So obviously my bad habits are still there. This is why I'm creating my Telegram channel, so everyone's accountable. Because what I would do also is on my Instagram, I would put my profits, and the reason why I would black out my balance is to hide the fact that I traded 0.50 lots with only an $800 account, which is stupid and it's suicidal. I deserve to lose that money. I was frustrated yesterday on Friday, today's Saturday, but I had to learn. And also, on a personal note, for me, I went out drinking Thursday night. I went to my friend's house, and Friday morning I woke up still a little tipsy, and that's when I closed out 3 trades that were all in profit. I was long on Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. And what else was I long on? New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. Closed them out early. One of them was a little in profit. I think the New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. I closed the other 2 out early with losses. And an hour or 2 later, they all jumped up. And you can see the way the New Zealand dollar, everything against the New Zealand dollar, everything against the Canadian dollar shot up because the Canadian dollar tanked. There's a few other trades that I was looking to open up, the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, which tanked, and I was thinking about opening up, but I was intoxicated. And guys, when you're in this business, it's okay to have fun. It's okay to go out for drinks. It's okay to sometimes enjoy yourself, but realize that your mind is the most important thing in this business. You're not an employee, and if you have a real job, that's great. But as a trader, your mind is your asset. Your mind is in control of your emotions. Your mind is what's telling you to be logical. Your mind is everything. So if you intoxicate it, if you poison it, you're destroying something. You know, you're destroying that main thing that's going to separate you from losing traders. You know, so all mindset. It's easy to place a trade. It's the hardest part is the mental part and managing, and so forth. So I went against my rules, which was if I'm going to enjoy myself, only do it Friday night. That way Saturday I can relax, and Sunday I could come back with reviewing the markets and so forth. But I fucked up, and that's something I have to deal with as a person, and most of all, a man. Other mistakes I made, just same mistakes, closed trades. The thing I can be proud of, though, because you have to give yourself credit. In some regards, you can't be too hard on yourself in life. And that's the thing about being critical of yourself. You want to be your best coach, but you don't want to be a coach that's like, oh, you suck, so he's gonna bash your knees in with the baseball bat, because then that's counterproductive. And I was like that for a while, where if I lost trades, I felt like a piece of shit. I felt worthless. I would get into depression for weeks, losing trades, too emotional, drinking again a lot. And if your mind's not sharp, you can't control your emotions, man. You're going to be looking at your phone every 5 minutes. It's just like, it's another thing. That's another thing I want to talk about. Stop looking at your phone when you are in trades. If you want to take pictures of your profits and stuff like that, you can, but just stop looking at your trades. The best thing I would recommend, I have it on my screen, is TradingView. The best trades I ever put was when I put the setup on TradingView, placed the order through MetaTrader 4, but then I stopped looking at MetaTrader 4. Because for some reason, looking at your trades live like that, it's going to fuck with your head. So look at your TradingView, because you're going to see your plan. You're going to see your plan. You're going to see the green box, you're going to see the red box, and you're going to know, okay, it's coming back down, but again, that's not near my stop loss, so I don't need to close a trade. As opposed to, if you look at MetaTrader 4, some reason, it's just for me, and that's personally for me. I'm a lot more emotional when I'm looking at my live trade on MetaTrader 4. This week I opened up, when I was doing the reviews on TradingView, damn it. When I was looking at my, opening up the charts on TradingView, like I said, 80% of my setups were perfect. Perfect. I could have made over 1,000 pips this week. Yeah, over easy. So imagine the frustration I was feeling on Tuesday because I closed out my trades early on Monday. Then I had 2 more losing trades on Wednesday or Thursday. Then I was drunk Friday morning, still tipsy. Obviously, you don't feel great when you feel like shit from drinking alcohol. Closed out my trades at a loss. 2 hours later, those trades all went up for profit. Then I opened up a long on silver, and exactly at my entry point, well, actually it was a buy order, a buy stop order, but the spread was, with this, it didn't even hit the price that I had it at, but with the spread it hit it, and the price tanked and took out my account like nothing. It was just one long red bar after another. And imagine being slightly intoxicated. You lost all the opportunities you made that week. You're back at $100 after 3 weeks of doing well. Yeah, it'll mess with your head. Luckily, I have people who are very supportive, and I thank them for that. So that's why when I created this channel, I want you to see my skills in technical analysis, but I also need to hold myself accountable into having the right risk management. And I want all of us, because I think that is it's easy to sell at resistance and buy at support. It's easy, to draw lines and to buy and sell it's the risk management. It's the managing that's important. And that's why I want all of us to work on. So that was it for this week. I could say it was a terrible week. I lost, $1,000. There's guys who've lost hundreds of thousands, so that's okay. I'll make it all back. In the meantime, my plan is to keep trading this $100 account, but to also add money too, because you want to be consistent. It's not about the money you're making, it's about the consistency. So whether you're trading $100, $10,000, $100,000, or $1 million, you want to be consistent, because if you're getting lucky, imagine you trading $1 million. Like that's a whole different ball game. You want that confidence, that swag, that just that discipline, you know, to just know your trade's going to work out. And if it hits your stop loss, you know where you went wrong. But you never want to end knowing that you close the trade out early, you got emotional, you know. So that's it for this week. Again, if I have any other tips, I'll share with you guys. But again, my Telegram channel is going to get up there. The YouTube channel is going to get up there. Instagram, check that out. So basically that's it. It sucks that I have to put myself out there and say that I blew my account, but it's necessary because there's a lack of transparency in this business. You can see it all over Instagram. You can see it all over social media. You can see it on YouTube. You don't know what these teachers and gurus are making. They could be lying to you. They could be photoshopping stuff. They're trying to sell you their stupid courses, stupid signal services. A real trader doesn't have to do stuff like that. A real trader who's making serious money can teach because it's good to give back. And the reason why I'm not charging for this is because I feel like when you do charge, you already get your reward, as opposed to when you give freely from the goodness of your heart, you're allowing the universe to give you with, you know, something even greater that's unexpected. So I am still wanting to do a 6-figure 2019. And again, to trade a small account properly so that when the big money does come in, you'll be ready. Because you do not, and I'm telling you from my life experience, you do not want to be making money if you're not ready to make money. They say more money, more problems. I disagree. More money emphasizes your current problems. So if you're greedy, you can make $50,000 trading Forex, you're going to blow it. So work on your self-development, practice meditation, keep your mind sharp, keep your mind clear, drink a lot of water. Don't, stay away from drugs and alcohol as much as you can. You know, if you have a great trading week and you want to go out on a Friday and drink, do that, but make sure that your mind is sharp and ready to go until you get back to trading, even if that means you have to take a few days off. The Forex market will always, always, always have opportunities, so don't feel like you always have to be in a trade. That saying, I'm about to work on this video for my Sunday weekly review. Also, stay tuned for the daily reviews and stuff like that. And again, if you have any suggestions, criticisms on how I can improve this channel, or the Telegram, or the Instagram, stuff like that, I'm doing my best, but I can always do better. But this week is going to be an amazing week. We have some amazing traders going to be joining, and we're going to have some amazing input. March is going to be an amazing month. So if you're down and out, if you're depressed, don't worry about it, because you are going to make money in Forex. I'm going to make a lot of money trading Forex. I have my goal right there on that wall. I'm a millionaire Forex trader. And the thing is, if you're going to affirm I'm a millionaire Forex trader, you have to have the mentality, I have to act like one. So I have my background on my phone that says, if you want to be a millionaire, act like one. So when you place a trade or anything, ask yourself, is this what a millionaire Forex trader would do? Will he get mad about a losing trade? Will he cry like a little bitch? Would he close his trade early? So think about that. You're a fucking millionaire Forex trader. So start trading like one. Start acting like one. And if that means giving up time to go out on the weekends and studying and studying and studying, make Forex your life, because Forex is life. Thank you for watching. Sorry if I got a little out of order with some things, but I really look forward to expanding this channel, expanding our skills together, and most importantly, expanding and increasing our Forex accounts. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to this week and to making massive amounts of pips. Take care. Bye-bye.